Yo guys, Carzilla, Chris from Carzilla sent me this box and it's got a whole bunch of stuff inside of it. And what we're going to do today is we're going to open this up, go through each item, find out what he sent us, and see if we can do some reviews, right? So we're going to like check out some of the products he's got in here. I think he's got a Foamcannon in here too, so kind of excited to see that and which one he sent. Let's get right to it. Our friends over at Carzilla, Chris, thank you so much for sending this out. I do appreciate it. They're a huge distribution company. I mean, they're in Canada.
They're doing the theme. Okay, maybe everyone will do it together, eh? Okay, go. She's beautiful.
They provide detailing products from a bunch of different companies. And yeah, they got tons of stuff. Everything from Labo Cosmetica, Geon, Max Shine, whole bunch of different companies. Oh my gosh, he's got so much stuff in here. All right, so first product, Bola Solutions Superior Leather Coating. Very cool. So I have a car. I have a couple cars. I'd like to put a ceramic coating on the leather. And this is supposed to be a very good, high quality leather coating. Bola Solutions, very neat. 30 ml bottle, one applicator pad, and a suede, 10x10 suede. And this is called Tan Noble Shield leather coating. Very neat. Let's open the box. And everything from Bola, I've noticed, I mean, the way that their packaging is set up, it's almost like hair product or something. You know, it's really, really nice. It's not your typical oval bottle. This is like really good. I mean, the packaging is incredible. And supposedly this is the same type of product that they use on Porsches, Ferraris, Lamborghinis. So you're talking good stuff. So I'm really anxious to try that. It's got the applicator stuff, the pad, the micro suede. So yeah, I'm anxious to try that. So that's the first product, right? Bola Solutions. And I'm not really quite sure where they're from. I think they're South Korean, I believe. I'll double check and I'll put it on the screen here, but I'm pretty sure they're from South Korea. Bola Solutions, very neat. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate that. We're going to try that out. We're going to try installing it on my leather seats in my car. Oh yeah, look at this. Alrighty. Max Shine Snow Foamcannon version 2. Very cool. So yeah, this has got the wide mouth on it. It's stainless steel. It's a very good high quality. Look at this thing. I'm going to put this down here so you can see a little bit more. But yeah, look at the way this is packaged. This is very cool. Very nice. High quality stuff. So, and I've seen people like Cars from Kiev, you know, he had reviewed this. It doesn't have a stainless steel ball at the end. It has a plastic bottom on it, sieve. But, you know, that's fine. I'm okay with it as long as it can kind of move through here. You know, maybe that's an upgrade, a small, inexpensive upgrade we can do. All right, look at this. Whoa, this thing's kind of heavy. This is nice. This is really nice, actually. Very cool. Got the wide mouth. It does have the thread in here for smaller bottles. We're going to have to open this up and find out what size orifice is in here. I don't believe it says. I don't see it anywhere. Interesting, it doesn't say what size orifice is on here. So we're going to have to open this up, measure it, confirm what size it is. No, I like the way this is set up. So we're going to do a full review on this and we're going to talk about this. This is a decent quality Foamcannon. So let's put this back in here. Let's put this aside and let's talk about some other stuff that we have in the box. So very cool. Thank you so much, Chris. I do appreciate that. What else do we got? Oh, Apex Auto Wash. You know, my friend from Detail always wanted, he told me about this. Not only him, but there's a few detailers out there that said, you got to try this Apex Auto Wash. This stuff is incredible. I'm really anxious to try this out. It's very liquidy, right? The viscosity is on the thinner side, and supposedly it smells really good. So let's smell that right off the bat. Anxious to see what it smells like. Oh, it's got one of these plugs in it. That's good for shipping. Yeah, I mean, Carzilla did an excellent job, by the way, in terms of packaging this up and getting it out to me. So, you know, I'm really happy about that for sure. Oh, there we go. It just smells like a cleaning product. It really doesn't smell like much at all. So, you know, which it doesn't really need to be quite honest. Even the ones that smell like cherry and stuff like that. I mean, you don't really smell it when you're washing a car outside. Yeah, we'll definitely have to do a review of this. Kind of up for washing my car over the weekend. Maybe this Sunday I'll wash the car with the Apex Auto Wash. Very cool. Very neat company. It's called Phoenix EOD, right? I've heard a lot of good things about those guys, so really anxious to try that. All right, what else do we have here? All right, one of the OGs when it comes to rinseless washes, Eco Wash from Geon. Right, this product right here has been out for a long, long time. It's gone through a couple revisions. This is SiO2 infused. And I believe, honestly, I really truly believe that a lot of the rinseless washes out there do have SiO2, whether they say it or not. I know the, I'll get the bottle. I know that Armor Shields Hero, that has, I'm going to be doing a review of this one also very soon. This one I bought myself, and I wanted to try that out because I heard a lot of good things about it. And this one smells interesting. This one, it smells like juicy fruit or something like that. I don't know, what does that smell like? It's very familiar. It's kind of like fruity smelling. But, you know, this has SiO2 in it. It does say that it does have that in there. And I think what that does is it helps make it slick, you know, when you're actually using it. So let's see if this one smells like anything. I know these tops are on the GN bottles are a little bit more difficult to open, which is probably a good thing. Yeah, this has got a really it's very clean scent, and it's got a milky look to it. You know, it reminds me a lot of the one that Pan the Organizer has, but a way different smell. You know, it's less like a perfumey, and it's more like a cleaning type product. So waterless, rinseless wash. Got SiO2 in it. It's good for a drying aid. An anti-static wipe. Leaves a slick, glossy, and enhanced finish. So, yeah, I'm really excited to use this. I have not used a lot of Geon products lately. I've been using their interior detailer is excellent. I love that product. But we're going to be trying this out soon. Probably, maybe do a head-to-head between these two. I don't know. And then we have the towels to go along with it. There's a few towels that he sent out. Very cool. All right, so we got the polish wipe towel from Geon. And Geon does an excellent job in terms of packaging everything up. They really do. I mean, this is really good, high-quality stuff. You might pay a little bit more, but yeah, these are like really, truly engineered to be high-quality stuff. So you can see they have their branding on here and everything. So it's really cool. So I'm excited to try that for sure. And that one is their polish wipe. So that's good for removing polishes safely and effectively. Then you have the low pile bald wipe, which is excellent for, you know, removing coatings also. Soft wipe is really kind of your finished touch, right? This is a little bit more of a thicker microfiber, more plush and thick for coatings and quick detailers. So it's a little softer, a little bit more gentle on the surface. So that'll be a good one to try. So we have that. And then we have, look at this. We have two products from Labo Cosmetica. All right, so we have the decontamination shampoo, the acid wash, right? This is Purifica from Labo Cosmetica. So that's something that you could use in a bucket or a foam cannon. It's a decontamination shampoo. It's an acidic one. You can dilute it. Wow, there's a lot of text in here. I mean, like I was trying to read all that. That's crazy. But yeah, they definitely give you a lot of information here. So I guess I have to kind of learn a little bit more about the dilution ratios, what to do. Foamcannon, dilute from 1 to 5 to 1 to 10. Shampoo, water. Bucket, dilute 1 to 100 or 1 to 400. Shampoo and water. Really the two ways I'm going to like use this stuff. Either in a bucket or a combination of a bucket and a Foamcannon, right? So, and why would I use an acidic wash? I use an acidic wash because like in our Northeast area, there's a lot of like road grime, a lot of contaminants that actually go up off of the tire and onto the door panels and stuff like that. And that tends to clog the ceramic coatings and all the coatings that you put on your surface. So what this does is this kind of eliminates that. It draws that away from the paint. So let's see if these smell. It does not smell good. So they're not really going out for nice smelling products, but this is an acidic product for sure. I'm not wearing any gloves, so I don't want to play around with that. Definitely wear gloves. And then this is exactly the same thing, but it's an acidic pre-soak for rinseless and waterless washing. So I originally wanted to use this, right? This is called the Preludeo. And you really have to use the Labo Cosmetica products to really understand and know a little Italian too, because a lot of this has a little bit of an Italian twang to a purifica, right? To purify. And Preludeo is really kind of like previous to another step. And this acidic wash is basically a pre-soak. So you could put this in your cannon. I believe you could put this in your cannon and spray it on, let it soak. Or you can kind of mix this in like a waterless wash and then spray it on the surface, let it stick, dwell, and then rinse it off or clean it off real quickly. And that'll also remove the minerals and everything that are on your surface. So if you have a combination of these two, or if you want to use one or the other, depending on how severe your coating is clogged, then you can go ahead and pick one of these. So do I attempt to smell this one? Oh, okay. That one's more pleasant for sure. That one's definitely a little bit more pleasant. That one is nasty. I have a lot of information here. Oh my God. And then on top of all of that text, they have even more text on the back side of it. That's the one thing I got to say about European products. They always have tons of information in like multiple languages, because think about it. They got to like sell it to so many different countries. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, so I'm excited to try that. So we got a few different products we got to try out soon. So Chris from Carzilla, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. It really means a lot that you support my channel and you're kind of hoping that I'm going to be creating some content here, for all of this stuff. So let me move the camera down so you can see everything that I got. But we got a lot here, So we got the Eco Wash from Geon. We have the tan leather coating, Bola Solutions, the leather coating. So that'll be fun to use. Apex Auto Wash from Phoenix EOD. We have the wiping rags and all the microfiber towels that we would want, right, to try. We got the Snowmaster Foamcannon from Max Shine. And we have the pretty cool Labo Cosmetica acidic washes that we can try out, right? And this Preludeo acidic wash, Pandy Organizer texted me, emailed me, and said that this would be a nice one to use on my car because he knows that I'm from the Northeast and he knows that I run into a lot of mineral deposits on my coatings, and that's a problem. So anyway, so yeah, I'm excited to try all this stuff out. It's going to take me a little time, Chris, so please be patient. I got a few things I need to review. I got the C6 ceramic coating in the back there that needs to be put on my car, and I have all of this stuff, and I have a few other Foamcannons that I'm going to be checking out and reviewing. So I have quite a few videos, and I have a lot of videos queued up and ready to go. So I'm anxious to do them all. It's going to be a fun summer, and we're going to be seeing a lot of different cars, a lot of different museums. So Stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment down below which products you normally use. I mean, I'm curious to hear what you guys use in terms of coating systems, pre-washes, foam cannons, what type of microfiber towels do you guys use? And have you used Apex, right? Detail, it says it's a great product. There's a couple other companies out there. So anyway, I'm curious to see what you guys think. Comment down below, like, subscribe. See you on the next one.